Hey, I'm Connor with GME Supply, and in this video, we're taking a look at the Petzl Caritool harness tool clip. The Caritool easily attaches to your harness and creates a secure attachment point for tool bags and lanyards. Its universal design makes it compatible with any harness and tool bag. However, it is specifically optimized as a tool bag storage solution for the Petzl Volt harness, which has an attached waist belt. Paired with Petzl's S4 7-wide tool bags, the Caritool allows for easy one-handed access while sorting and organizing your tools, even during suspended work. Attaching the Caritool is easy. Simply open the gate, clip it to the belt, spin it around, and slide the belt clip onto the belt of your harness. The Caritool has some additional features that make it more than just an extra carabiner. It's large and easy to open, allowing you to store bags, straps, and tools with instant access. And to keep your tool tethers from getting tangled, there's a small hole for separated attachment. The most unique feature about this tool is the stabilizing clip. Unlike your standard carabiner, this clip will stay in place and perpendicular to the harness, so you won't be blindly fumbling around trying to find the gate. The Caritool comes in two sizes. The standard size fits Petzl's small tool bag. The large Caritool fits their larger tool bag. The two sizes also have different weight capacities. The small is rated for 11 pounds, while the large is rated for 33 pounds. Whether you're climbing a tower, a tree, or any high-rise structure, the Caritool is an innovative and effective way to keep all that important gear securely attached to your harness. Pick yours up today at gmesupply.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.